You have sent 50, maybe 100 job applications this month. Radio silence. Maybe one rejection email if you're lucky. Here is the truth nobody wants to tell you. The job market in 2026 isn't broken. The way you are approaching it is. I've watched hundreds of young people in my community, from Lagos to Mumbai to Johannesburg, completely transform their income using what I am about to share. I know this isn't some get-rich-quick nonsense. This is real. What if I told you the most successful people I know under 35 never applied for a traditional job? They didn't get lucky. They didn't have rich parents. They didn't have connections. They just understood something fundamental. In 2026, you don't get hired, you get chosen. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what to do instead of sending applications into the void. These aren't theories I read somewhere. These are strategies working right now for real people in Nigeria, India, Kenya, Philippines, South Africa, and everywhere in between. I wish someone had told me this years ago. I wasted so much time doing it in the old way. By the end of this video, we have a clear roadmap. Stay with me. Let's go. The first shift, stop chasing jobs, start building skills. Here is what I mean. When you apply for a job, you are saying, please pick me. When you have a skill, people come to you. That is a completely different power dynamic. Now, I'm not talking about getting another degree or certification that costs money you don't have. I'm talking about skills you can learn for free on YouTube. Practice in 30 days and start offering to real people. Let me give you 5 that work globally right now. 1. Video editing. Every business, every creator needs this. Learn CapCut or DaVinci Resolve in 2 weeks. Both free. 2. Social media management. Businesses in every country need someone to post content and engage with their audience. 3. Virtual assistants, scheduling, emails, research. Works whether you are in Accra or Atlanta. 4. Basic graphic design. Canva is free right now. Learn it. Offer it. 5. AI tools operation. Most businesses have no idea how to use ChatGPT properly. You can be that person. Let me tell you about Shidi from Port Harcourt. No degree, no connections. He spent 3 weeks learning video editing from YouTube tutorials. Just 3 weeks. Today, 8 months later, he edits for 6 different clients and turned down a bank job because he's earning money on his own terms. 3 weeks of learning changes entire life trajectory. You don't need to master all 5 skills. Pick one. Get decent at it. That is enough to start. But here is where most people mess up. They learn the skill and then nothing. They wait. They don't take action. Which brings me to the second point. And honestly, this is where everything changes. The second shift, work for proof before you work for pay. I know this sounds backwards. You need money. I get it. But hear me out. When you have 0 experience, 0 portfolio, 0 testimonials, why would anyone pay you? They wouldn't. That is not unfair. That is logical. So why everyone else is complaining about not having experience? Here is what smart people do instead. They find 2 to 3 small businesses or creators. Could be a local restaurant, a church, a small YouTuber, a boutique on Instagram, and they offer to work for free for 7 to 14 days. Not forever. Just enough to get results they can screenshot. My friend Amara in Nairobi did exactly this. She learned social media management, then managed a local bakery's Instagram for free for 2 weeks. She grew their followers by 400. Screenshot. Testimonial done. Within 45 days, she had 3 paying clients. No job application, no interview, no begging, just proof of what she could do. This works whether you are in Karachi, Sao Paulo, Manila, or London. The internet doesn't care about your passport. It doesn't care about your location. It cares about your results. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I have this case, I have proof, but how do I actually find people who will pay me? That is exactly what we are covering next, and this part is easier than you think. Quick pause. If you are still watching right now, you are already ahead of 80% of people who clicked this video. They left because they wanted a magic shortcut. You are here because you want something real. That tells me something about you. Let's keep going. The third shift, stop hiding and start showing up. Most people learn a skill, do some free work, then sit at home waiting for clients to magically find them. That's not how this works. You need to be visible where your potential clients already are, and this costs zero money. LinkedIn, yes, it actually works. Post what you are learning, share your journey. People hire people they see consistently. Twitter, called X. Build in public, share your process, connect with others in your niche. Local WhatsApp and Facebook groups. This is massive in Nigeria, Kenya, India, and Philippines. Join business owners groups. Don't spam. Contribute value first. Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour. Start here to build reviews. The first 3 to 5 clients are hardest. After that, momentum takes over. Remember Amara from Nairobi? After her bakery's results, she posted one time on LinkedIn, just once, shared what she did, showed the screenshots. Within 2 weeks, 3 business owners reached out asking for help. One post, 3 clients, no application. See how this connects. Skill led to proof. Proof led to visibility. Visibility led to opportunities finding her. The formula is simple. Skill plus proof plus visibility is equal to opportunities chasing you. Look, I won't promise this is easy. It takes 3 to 6 months of free, consistent effort before you see serious traction. But compare that to sending 200 applications and earning nothing. Which part actually leads to somewhere? The final shift, and honestly, this one took me the longest to understand. Stop thinking like an employee. I be real with you. I grew up being told the same thing you probably heard. Go to school, get good grades, find a job. That is the part. But here is what nobody mentioned. That part was designed for a world that doesn't exist anymore. When you apply for jobs, you are asking permission to work. When you build skills and offer value, you create your own permission. This isn't about never having a job. Some of you will use these skills to land better jobs because now you have proof, not just a CV. Some will freelance, some will build businesses. The point is, you are no longer sitting by your phone, refreshing your email, waiting for someone else to decide your future. In 2026, the people who win aren't the ones with the biggest degrees. They are the ones who took action while everyone else was waiting. Which one are you going to be? Let me bring it all together. 1. Build one marketable skill, free to learn, 30 days to start. 2. Work for proof before you pay. 7 to 4 days of free work builds your portfolio. 3. Get visible where opportunities exist. LinkedIn, Twitter, local groups, freelance platforms. 4. Stop thinking like someone who needs permission. Start thinking like someone who creates value. This part isn't faster, it's not easier, but it actually works. Regardless of where you live, what degree you have, or who you know. And here is something extra I wasn't planning to share. The best time to start this is when you still have a job or school. Build on the side. Don't wait until you are desperate. Remember those 100 applications getting ignored? Imagine if you spend that same energy building something that compounds. Different game entirely. Here is what I need you to do right now, not later. Now, drop a comment telling me which of these 5 skills you are going to focus on first. I read every single comment in the first 48 hours, and I personally point you to free resources to get started. If this video shifted your perspective even 1%, smash that like button. It helps more people like you find this. And if you want the exact step-by-step process to land your first paying client within 30 days, watch the next video. I see you there. What's going to be? Don't thank me, and you welcome.